Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to change your Google Workspace account name. This is particularly useful if you need to update administrator details or correct any information associated with your Workspace profile. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open a web browser and navigate to the Google Admin Console by typing admin.google.com into your address bar. This is your central hub for managing all aspects of your Google Workspace environment. Once the page loads, you'll need to sign in using your administrator credentials. Enter your admin email address and password, then click Next to access the console. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the left side of the screen. You'll notice a menu icon with 3 horizontal lines. Click on this icon to expand the navigation menu. This menu gives you access to all the administrative tools and settings available in your workspace. If you manage multiple organizations, you may need to select the specific organization you want to work with from either the left pane or the top bar. After the menu expands, scroll through the options until you find Account. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu with several account-related options. Within this drop-down, you'll see Account Settings. Go ahead and click on it. This section contains all the profile and administrative details for your Workspace account. You'll now see various profile options displayed under your registered admin account. Look for the Name option, as this is where you can adjust the name associated with your admin profile. You can either click directly on the name field itself or use the pen icon located on the right side to begin editing. This icon is your gateway to making changes to the displayed information. Once you're in edit mode, carefully update the name fields as needed. Take a moment to review your changes before proceeding. It's important to confirm that both the username and display name are exactly how you want them to appear across your Google Workspace. Double-checking prevents any confusion or the need to repeat this process later. When you're satisfied with the changes, click Save or Rename User to apply them. The system will process your request and update the account name accordingly. And that's it. You've successfully updated your Google Workspace account name, ensuring your administrative profile reflects the correct information. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.